Hello everyone, you are at the Angular CDK crash course. At this video, you'll learn how to make draggable elements using Angular CDK. But before we start, please make sure you have a new Angular project ready for experiments. If not, just create a new one using Angular CLI. Then we gotta install Angular CDK. You can do that using ng-add Angular CDK command. Now let's dive into the code. Here I have an app module and I need to add CDK drag-drop module into the import section. After that, go to the app component. Here we are writing a new div element with a draggable element class. Cool, let's add a bit of styling. Right now we have a plain box on the screen and it's time to make it draggable. To do so, we just need to add CDK drag directive. As you can see now, our box became draggable. Finally, I just want to add a bit of styling to indicate the dragging process. We can do so using active modifier.
Now just enjoy it. The link to the source code is at the description. Like and subscribe to be notified about new videos, and thank you for watching.